Top quality aluminum construction of the Razor A kick scooter is lightweight yet durable. Features our original folding mechanism for quick and easy carry, transport and storage between rides. Easy adjust handlebars can be set to the perfect ride height. Additional features include rear fender brake and urethane wheels. Top reviews from the United States. Two-wheel scooter. I am writing this review after using this scooter for more than 1 year. This is one of the best two-wheel scooters so far. It's super strong. My kid had fallen lot of times while riding, but no scratches, damages to the scooter so far. This can be used by both girl, boy. Our plan is to keep it safe for my younger one once it's used by my daughter. Easy to fold, lightweight and easy to carry any place. The quality of the materials are very good, especially the wheels. It's very good product for birthday gift.